Any day is a good day to go riding, but some days it's just nice sunny weather and warm temperatures, like this nice fall day here. As we ride, you can feel the twists and the turns, which makes it a little exciting as we ride down the road. There's nothing more beautiful, I think, than the countryside. Seeing farm area, the trees, people's yards and stuff. It's just a great day, great feeling to feel the breeze and the excitement of the ride. We usually ride somewhere and stop to eat, but on the way we have some great views. Ohio, I think, is one of the prettiest states around. We have traveled quite a few different states. To me, there is so much more than just riding the bike. Like I said, watching the great scenery as we drive down through the fences around people's properties, the horse fields, the farmland, the cows, the goats, the pigs, all the different scenery that you see as you go down through. Enjoying God's great creation and God's great beauty, plus the feeling of freedom and filling the air. It is just a wonderful feeling to be on your bike and enjoying the ride. But there's no place like home. I can't wait for spring to come back around so we can start riding and enjoying the fresh air and the scenery again. The winter months are probably the slowest and the most anxious time for us bikers as we try to get ready and enjoy what we enjoy doing. As you watch these videos, hopefully it takes some of the anxiousness away that spring is only a few months away. That we can all get out there and ride and be safe. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share, or subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to help our channel grow. This is one of the things I've been trying to do for the last few years is promote motorcycle riding. I hope you enjoy, hope you agree with us, and always keep the rubber side down and be safe. Like I said, please like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow. Tell your friends. Maybe we can even see you on the screen here one day if you live in this area. Have a great day. Enjoy life. See you on the next ride. Bye.